Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an appointment at the Social Security office. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To make an appointment at a Social Security office, try completing your task online first. Many common activities, such as applying for benefits, replacing a Social Security card, updating your address, or direct deposit, can often be done completely online through your My Social Security account. Starting online can save you from needing an in-office appointment. Second, self-schedule an appointment online. When replacing or obtaining a Social Security card, you may be offered an option through the SSA website to apply online and schedule an in-office appointment all in one workflow. Bring your original or certified documents to finalize the process. Third, call to schedule. If you can't complete your task online, call the National Line or TTY. Hours are Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. You can reschedule, schedule, or cancel your appointment via this number or call your local field office directly. Use the office locator on ssa.gov to find the number. And that's it. So that's basically how you can make an appointment at the Social Security office. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.